Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best health tips to help you feel your best every day. Today, we're talking about an important topic for men's health, erectile dysfunction. If you're looking for natural ways to combat ED, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 8 morning drinks that can help improve erectile function and boost overall wellness. Let's dive in. Number 1 is green tea. This drink is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. More efficient circulation can enhance your body's ability to maintain an erection. Green tea has other health benefits too. It boosts metabolism and helps burn fat, which is important because maintaining a healthy weight can also reduce ED symptoms. Start your day with a cup of green tea to improve your vascular health and overall energy. Next, we have pomegranate juice, a natural powerhouse for men's health. This juice is rich in antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, which support healthy blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, allowing for better circulation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can significantly improve erectile function. Just 1 glass a day can make a noticeable difference. Beet juice is another excellent option. Beets are high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a key player in maintaining an erection by dilating blood vessels. This drink not only improves erectile function, but also lowers blood pressure, enhances stamina, and boosts endurance, perfect for overall cardiovascular health. Drinking beet juice regularly can help support your body's nitric oxide levels naturally. Watermelon juice might just be the tastiest option on this list. Watermelons are packed with citrulline, an amino acid that converts into nitric oxide. Like beets, this helps increase blood flow, making it easier to maintain an erection. Watermelon also has a high water content, helping you stay hydrated, which is crucial for overall health. You can enjoy this refreshing drink, especially during the summer. Ginger tea is a warming, aromatic option that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's great for improving blood circulation, which can be beneficial for men with ED. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties also support cardiovascular health, which is directly linked to erectile function. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can also help reduce stress and anxiety, which are often contributors to ED. Surprisingly, coffee can be a great drink to combat erectile dysfunction. The caffeine in coffee stimulates blood flow and boosts dopamine levels in the brain, which enhances mood and energy. This improved circulation helps with ED symptoms. Studies suggest that men who drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day are less likely to experience ED. Just be sure to keep it moderate. Too much caffeine can lead to stress or anxiety, which can have the opposite effect. Almond milk is a nutrient-dense, dairy-free alternative that is high in vitamin E and other essential nutrients that promote healthy blood circulation. Almonds are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps improve blood vessel function, making it easier for blood to flow to the areas where it's needed. Regular consumption of almond milk can help support cardiovascular health, which is key for maintaining erectile function. Plus, it's a delicious way to start the day, whether on its own or in smoothies. Last but not least is the spinach smoothie. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that helps reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improving blood flow. This leafy green also contains nitrates, which, like beets, increase nitric oxide levels in the body. You can blend spinach with other ingredients like bananas or almond milk for a nutrient-packed, ED-friendly breakfast smoothie. These 8 morning drinks can help improve your overall blood flow, support better erections, and promote men's health naturally. Consistency is key, so make sure to add them to your daily routine for long-term benefits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Leave a comment below if you've tried any of these drinks or if you have other suggestions. See you in the next video.